So hello everyone, welcome back to my Excel for data analytics series. In this fourth video in our playlist, we will talking about pivot tables and pivot charts. There is two powerful tools in Excel for analyzing and visualizing data. Pivot tables allows you to quickly summarize, analyze, and explore or present data. Pivot charts help you to visualize that summarized data with ease. So by the end of this video you will know how to create a pivot table, how you can use filters and slicers, and also calculated fields. You will also understand how you can build a pivot chart for visual analysis. So here is the data we have. There is a as you can see, there is all the Apple products here, iPad, iWatch, MacBook. This is so there is we have the data, we have ID number here, product, region, sales method, all the price per unit. So as you can see, also we will understand what products sells best. So we are in this our data set here. So first of all, you need to make this in the format of table. So click Control plus T. So it will create a table. Click OK. So this way you can use you can see see the table form. Now go to Insert and click on Pivot Table here. Click on that and click OK. Got it. Alright guys, so let's say I want total revenue of our Apple products. So we can use revenue in our value section here. So it gives you the total sum of revenues in the, and we can also convert into like a let's say I want in a product base. So you can see the airport like for this amount, iPad for 5.6 million, iPhone for 8.7 million. So this is the way you can see the sum of revenue from your data. So for the reduce the number of this number for easy like understand, we can go for number format here. Go here and click the number, use 0 and minus 0123. Click OK. So this is the way you can see the number correctly. After that you can also select region. Let's say you want to see the region particular. So click on region and go into column. So it will give you the sum of revenue row labels, column label, and you can also for this you just need to double click here. So this way you can see the numbers. Drag here like this, so it will give you the output. After that, as you can see, the North America, South America, all the like sales and the grand total here. So, but if you can also remove region by just simply drag, let's say here, so it will remove your region. But let's put right now here. Okay. All right. So let's say I want this numbers from smallest to lowest. Let's say so. For that you just need to click right click here and sort smallest to largest. So it will give you the smallest amount first and the largest amount later. So this is the way you can do your analysis. For grand total, for this you can also do from this also, sort smallest to largest, and you can see the South America, the smallest to lowest amount in South America. But I would say okay, you can do by grand total at the column, so it's easier for you to understand the total grand total. And after that you can also let's remove first of all this, and now you can see the total sum of revenue here. and let's say I want to see the proportion of this amount. So click on the right click here, so values, and the grand total of percentage. So this way you can also see the 9%, 15% of the total 100% of amount. So this way you can see the how many sales happened with iWatch, iPad, and what is the highest product that we are selling in our sales. And also you can also do a different way, like also you can I would say just remove some of revenue first of all, and let's say I want the product price per unit, so put in the value column here. Let's put in value, so you can see the sum of price per unit, but it's give me the sum of total. So how you can actually you should get the average of this prices, so it will easier for you to understand. So click on the right click here, summarize value by, and see the average price. So you get the average price of per unit. So as you can see, there is a so this is the way you can see the highest average of MacBook. That's the highest amount in our product. And after that you can also add sum of revenue here in value, sum of okay, revenue from this here, and you can also insert some slicers by just go into the pivot table analysis here, click on that, insert slicer, click here, and region, click on OK. So this way you can see the region here for like North America, South America, and so you can see the North America, click on that. As you can see the amount here, change EMI EA, change. So this is the way you can see the value per region. And you can also select everything, just click here and select, and select. So this way you can see the sum of revenue total for all the region. And after that you can also let's try with pivot chart here. So for that you need to delete this one, all remove this, and after that you have to go at pivot table and analysis, click here, pivot chart, click here, and you can see the graph, click OK. So as you can see there, it gives you the pivot chart analysis. Click here, set on here, set here. You can see the total amount by you can also select A to Z or Z to A sort. Let's try with Z to A. So it will change from Mac, iWatch, iPhone, iPad, and iPad mode. But you can also, I would suggest you to select A to Z, and also you can remove, if you want to remove iPad here, or iWatch, or let's say similar iPad and MacBook. So remove iMac, it is highest. So let's remove iPad, iPhone, and iPad. Okay. So this is the way you can do pivot chart. You can get your analysis. You can also just click both together right now. For now, click OK, and you can also add anything that you want. Like let's say I want to add region. So it will give you the click in the legend section. So it gives the different chart here. Let's do sales method. So it gives you the sales method here, region. You can also remove like APAC, or if you want to remove North America, you can also remove that. Okay. So this is the way you can get your insights in a chart form. Okay. Right. Now we can do some advanced analysis. So let's go back to our data, and you can see that we don't have any profit section here in our data set. So let's calculate the profit. Uh, so for that we can go again in our sheet 1, click on pivot chart analysis, field and item, calculate the field. We can type profit, and for formula we would say let's remove revenue minus expenses, right? So double click on that, minus expenses, double click on that, okay, click OK. So it will give you the profit table in our chart. So there is a sum of profit here. Okay, so let's try with region, without region, sales method without region, and a product, and you can get sales method, profit, revenue here, sales method here. Remove that. So this is also you can remove from, take this from this to this. So right now you have sum of profit and sum of revenue here. So now let's see sum of profit by row, and like let's check with the date. So how you can do that? You just type a date here, and you can see the row date, row label from January, February, all the sum of revenue and sum of the profit. And you can also do with I want with the month. I want with click on that. Let's see how we can let's try to do add your one more column in our data set here. So let's try how we can do that. So first of all you need to go over there, over here, click control shift right click, control C and control V here. So as you can see it's add a new line here for you. And let's just change into yes here. Go to our data and see if we can we get our name here or not. Select product, value, count of product here, and our ID number, region, sales, price per quantity, uh, and you can also add, but for that you can also remove this one, this again, and now try to add your product in value. You can see the count of product here, and so guys, this is how you can use data to make in a pivot table. In the next upcoming videos we are going to make pivot chart based on different data sets, but for now we create all the pivot tables that is required in using this data. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video on how you can make pivot chart using data.